Are you thinking about making the switch to an online bank, but feeling a little unsure? Maybe you've heard of EverBank and you're wondering, is it a legitimate, FDIC-insured institution, or is it just some app on your phone? Well, that's a fantastic question, and one that gets right to the heart of what many people are concerned about when considering online-first financial services. Let's clear this up once and for all. The short answer is yes, EverBank is a real bank. It's an FDIC-insured national banking association. This means your deposits are protected up to the standard legal limits, just like with any big, traditional bank with branches on every corner. But the key to understanding EverBank is that it's a specialty bank. Its primary model is built on providing services to clients across the nation through its digital and online platforms. While it operates primarily as an online bank, it's not exclusively online. EverBank does maintain a limited number of physical financial centers, mainly in Florida and California, for those who prefer an in-person experience. However, the vast majority of its customers interact with the bank through its website, mobile app, and its expansive network of nearly 100,000 fee-free ATMs. This online-first approach is exactly what allows EverBank to offer some of the things it's known for, like competitive rates on savings accounts and CDs, and low or no fees. They can pass those savings on to you because they aren't shouldering the same massive overhead costs that come with operating a huge network of physical branches. So, to summarize, EverBank is a real, legitimate, and secure bank. It's a member of the FDIC, and it leverages an online-focused model to provide high-value products and services with competitive rates. While it does have a small physical presence, its core business is built for the digital age, giving you convenient access to your money from almost anywhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.